Danni reckons we're going up. Climbing up here, apparently.
I don't know.
Can't be.
No, it doesn't look right, does it?
Reckon? Mum, close your eyes.
Hi, we're Danni and Joe. Follow us on our journey across Europe in our self-converted Mercedes Sprinter that we call Mabel. Hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos.
Bit of a disclaimer on this one. We really f***ed up. We recorded about 3 days worth of footage on a GoPro in slow motion, so we've lost loads. It's a bit patchy, but bear with us. I hope you enjoy the video anyway. I don't know if you can see a lot, it's maybe one of the best border crossings in the world, apparently.
I did run out of time, faced with your advice to get her back in mind. I struggled to suffice, weighed down by all your pride. Had to break my stride and get back on my feet.
Joe was sure that there wouldn't be any customs because we are meant to self-isolate for 10 days, but it didn't seem very clear that if you came from the north of Sweden, which we were, that you didn't have to self-isolate. But there's police at the front just checking, so we might get turned around, not sure.
Welcome to Norway.
Fortunately, because we had already been in northern Sweden for over 10 days, we weren't required to self-isolate in Norway.
Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no, it ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah.
There's a tunnel closed in the way of where we're trying to get to. Trying to get to Lofoten. But
Plan B?
No, I can't run, I can't hide, I can't stand no more. Oh no, 'cause when the devil's out to get you, you better pray and run slow. Oh, I'm gonna tell you one more time, baby, when the devil's out to get you, you better pray and run slow. Oh no.
Welcome to the Lofoten Islands.
we spent the night in SVOLVÄR Ferryport car park, which is classed as like the gateway to the Lofoten Islands.
The Lofoten Islands are located way above the Arctic Circle on the coast of the Norwegian Sea. They are connected by many bridges and ferries. The region is famous for its beautiful landscapes consisting of fjords, crystal clear waters, mountains and cute old fishermen cabins. Although fishing is still common, it is on a much smaller scale and the majority of cabins have now been converted into accommodation for the ever-growing tourism industry. So from late winter to spring they dry out the fish on these wooden racks. They don't add any salt, they don't smoke it either, just the natural salty air and the sun.
So today we're just by Henningsværten, just to be the second island that we visit, or second town that we're visiting, and we're going to climb up to FISKERKONA mountain, which is only about 500 meters up there. Up there.
One of them.
We're going to climb that. So Danni reckons we're going up. Climb up here, apparently.
I don't know.
Can't be.
No, it doesn't look right, does it?
Reckon? Mum, close your eyes.
Oh.
No, I'm not doing that.
Don't film that.
Danni wants one of these shots, hang on.
Keep going? Yeah.
easy. Pretty much straight climb, isn't it? Scrambling across boulders and stuff, or whatever the technical word is. It's really steep.
You didn't put any blackcurrant.
I said put blackcurrant in it and then I'll top it with water. I said to you to put blackcurrant in it, I'll top it.
I by that because I was making the bed.
Oh, but you didn't put blackcurrant in.
No.
We'll go back down. Hi Mabel. Oh, you've got water then. Told you we start weaning you off that blackcurrant stuff.
Islands just look so magical from this high up, don't they? Right, up higher?
Not out of choice. Only in hope that there's an easier way down than we just climbed up. Oh, it's scary. But it is scary.
Yeah, I don't think I can get that higher.
No?
Not without like nearly dying.
Let's just try and get down this other side then. So we're stuck in like a saddle bit between the two peaks.
We are not getting up any higher.
Ain't ever getting up that, are we? Wow.
Joe just sat on an ant's nest whilst we're trying to have our cup of tea. Look how big they are. Can't really see. They are huge.
We're on our way down. We're about halfway down. No, maybe we're further than halfway down. We went up like some really difficult path that doesn't even take you to the top, so another...
Joe doesn't like it when I like lead the way. He reminded me of this time we went up Cheddar Gorge and then I didn't want to go back the same way because it was really complicated, and then Joe nearly fell off the cliff.
Straight off the cliff.
I had to grab him.
And it reminds me of this a bit, but this is about 100 times more dangerous up here.
Oh, that cracks me up.
Don't follow us for travel advice, especially when it comes to climbing mountains.
I would suggest come to about here, although I think you can do it over that side as well, because it is a really nice view, isn't it?
It's a lush view.
All of the town over there, the village.
There's just no need to go up higher than this because it just gets stupid.
Yeah.
My legs are giving way.
Look at it.
Looks tropical, but it's definitely not.
Yeah, no, I don't think I'm going to get it. You see Mabel? Hi Mabel.
God, that's over.
It was not that bad.
It's pretty sketchy.
Possibly the coolest football pitch ever.
Morning, we're heading into rain this morning or afternoon. Waiting for a little deli to open up where Danny wants to get like a fluffy cod sandwich.
Yeah, I'm not sure. If not, I want to try the stockfish, which is just their like dried cod.
Air dried cod, yeah.
Yeah. And hopefully get a cinnamon roll at the next little village. We're going to which is the last village on the islands and also the last letter in the alphabet.
There you go.
Full of facts. Made it to a seafood shop. What could possibly go wrong in the most expensive country in the world? Probably in one of the most touristy, expensive parts of Norway. I'd like to get some dried cod. Let's gauge it. Dry. So this is like a burger with, I picked the topping of shrimp. This is, not really sure, it's cod, but I think it's like a fish cake. Give it a go. Thought I had to try some seafood here. How much was this?
About 15.
Ouch. It all tastes really fresh. I don't know where the prawns are from. I'm guessing they're from quite local, but
Really fresh.
it does taste fresh, doesn't it?
So many dressings on it.
10 out of 10. Just actually 9 out of 10. Maybe the price lets it down a little bit. So we were going to go to the Stockfish Museum behind us, but it's closed, as is most things on these islands, because we've come out of season. But it's okay. We're alright. Let's go see if the bacon's open.
Bakery's closed, isn't it?
You didn't want a cinnamon roll anyway, did you?
We are leaving. Oh, because everything's closed.
It hasn't risen. It hasn't risen, but it looks alright. I don't know how I'm going to get out because I didn't have anything to grease it with. I put a bit of oil on it, but going for a melt in the middle.
That's going to explode all over the sides. Drive.
Oh wow, that's really not cooked. Oh. Oh.
Fondant.
Fondant.
That does look pretty special.
What, good or bad?
Good.
Reckon? It's alright?
Yeah, it's quite nice. Definitely a different texture, but it's really nice. Still, it still tastes like spongy.
Where have we made it to?
Bergen. Just seen Google Street View drive past filming, so we might be at Briggen in Bergen on Google Maps. Keep an eye out for us. Oh, they feel nice. Oh mate, they're warm, I'm getting too.
No, you do not eat to.